Yeah.
Sarah's trying to sneeze, but she can't because she's laughing.
Okay, you gonna sneeze? Just sneeze, Sarah. Do you have to sneeze?
Yeah.
Okay. You were about to there.
He's like,
I miss you too.
yay.
You need to sneeze first.
I can't.